Alright, so you've just changed the oil in your Fusion, like this one. And you need to reset the oil life meter, reminder, light, whichever you want to call it. You'll be getting a message that reads, serve a change oil soon, or oil change required. Something along that nature. You need to get rid of it now that the oil's been changed. So we're going to go over these steps and get rid of that so you'll be good to go for another few miles, however long your service life interval is. Okay, let's get started on that. Okay, so now you're inside, and go ahead and place the key in ignition and turn it on. Oil change required. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to get out of that. I want to hit the left button. You see the menu that I'm on. I'm going to hit the left button. I'm going to scroll down. Trip 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings. So I'm going to hit OK. And vehicle. Press the right arrow button from this menu to the following message. Okay, so I'm going to hit the following. Lighting, locks, oil life reset. So I'm going to hit that. I'm going to hit the right. Remaining life 0%. Hold OK to reset. So I'm going to hold the OK button. And it says hold OK to reset oil life. Oil life reset successful. Okay, so I'm going to let off of it. And that has reset your oil life meter. Or oil light, or whichever you want to call it. And that is going by what's in the manual. It's funny, I did my sister's Escape here a while back, and you have to push the brake pedal and the accelerator and cycle the key on. And I don't know why Ford has a different procedure for every vehicle. It's stupid. It should be the same for everyone. My Flex, there was buttons on the dash you had to go through. I forgot exactly how that went through it. But that is how to reset the oil meter. And I hope that is a help. If it's not, you can message me and we'll go through it again. Thanks for watching.